What is this? The September 2017 Geek Fuel. Or we would have it if somebody could open up a box.
Aha. Faster. Oh yeah, the Blade Runner. Oh my gosh! Yes! 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 Oh! Yes!
Oh,
yes!
Is that the t-shirt? Sweet.
Oh, just this right here. And then we have whatever this is. This is Star Trek. Oh, like thing. Okay.
That's cool.
Okay. There's meat. Okay. Wait. I could have gotten the Powerpuff Girl. Oh. Oh well.
Or Space Ghost. Oh, that would have been cool too. Space Ghost.
Oh yeah. Space Ghost. There's a game award and $20 value. There's a postcard.
Cool.
Yeah. Oh.
Well, okay, so a little disappointed you didn't get the pin you wanted.
Yeah.
You would have liked, but
Orland.
but you got a couple of things that definitely I think.
Yeah. The stuffed animal, and like the different Legos. But yeah, like this shirt and this stuffed animal, like these are some of the best items. Like this shirt, I've noticed a jump in quality in the shirts ever since like the beginning of this year, really. And this is really nice.
All right.
Yeah.